Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to do insert in ADO.NET, and the moment we click our insert, we want a new form be opened. There we will add our insert. Let's add a new form. Right click on form, DevExpress, and let's put the form and let's name it product edit form. Now let's edit it and size it, and let's convert it into reborn form. Let me delete this one and we do all other these options again. From properties, this is false, and then from shows all of them we make it false. It will look like more like professional. This is set it false, and this also even, and also let's say the caption, we say product edit, and let's put a startup position, center or center parent. When we run it inside our MDI, it will be in the center of our MDI form. And let's make it false, show icon. It's also gone. Now let's add some buttons. First one, we say btn save, and let's say save. Second one, let's say btn delete, and then let's say delete. Third one, we'll make it update, btn update, then say update, and then exit, btn exit, and then exit. Now remember guys, I was telling you when you choose image, make sure this one is selected. Yeah. So if we want to select our like a save button, we can come here and we can choose our save button, but I can put like insert button. I will use different one, for example, 1 minute, because in save button we want to make a disk kind of, let's say save this one. Choose this one, and as for delete, let's come from delete this one. Yeah, as you see that it's selected 16 pixels. We have to go to the all properties, and then from image options we have to choose for the large option, large image as well. Is delete this large one. I choose it. Let's see. So let's do the same thing for update. Our update was like this. Yeah. Let's go all properties. From image options, first let's choose update, this first one. Let's choose large image as well, like this. Let's do the same thing for the exit, because if you don't do like this, it will create for each form like this image, it will be like a separately, so we don't want this one. Let's go for sorry, for all properties, image options. Let's first choose our image from resources. Let's close. Yeah, let's first small one, and then go for the large image. Yeah, much more better. Now we'll add a data layout control inside our product edit forms from the toolbox. Data layout, it's as much more organized when we have a lot of text boxes or any buttons. Just it gives the exact positions. So let's say data layout control. Let's move over our form. And now I want it to be covered. I will say from choose doc style, I'll choose here. It will cover all of it. So before this, we have to convert it. So we right click on our data layout control, then we say convert table layout. So it already converted. When it converts, it gives 2 columns and 2 rows. We will make modification now. Let's now from the doc style. So you can see it. Now first for the column, we want only 1 column. We just remove this one. And this one, not percentage, we'll make absolute. And we'll give 100, maybe 200%. And now what we'll have we don't need ID, maybe, yes. We can use ID 1. How many entities we have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll make 4 rows, edit rows. Now this is first. Let's make it absolute, and let's put it height. I will put 24, and let's do absolute. Add 2 more. 24 absolute. Let's say 24 absolute. Yeah, let's try it like this. Resize our form a little bit. Maybe this is better. Let's first things for ID, we have to add a text edit. Text edit, move our form. And let's make it, maybe we'll resize this column. 200 is too much. Let's say 150 maybe. Or let's put another column maybe. And we'll say this time it's like percentage. 100. Yeah, that's better. And let's column again. can do here 240, something like this is much more better. Now let's name it. It will be our ID. From properties, from text, right, product ID, and then from use parent options I will make it custom size, and text to control distance I will put 10. This is between these things is like 10. This is too much bigger. Let's columns maybe 220. And let's put not percentage here, is like 25. Let's delete again. So auto size. It's 50%. Anyway, let's change the color of this one. Product. Appearance, item captions, and for color I will write maroon. Let's change. And I also want to name our text. Edit text product ID, and then from appearance focused, whenever we focus on our text edit, we want it be back color to light cyan. Let's do it for the second one. This is for product name. Do the same things. That's product name, and from use parent options I will make custom. I will put a 10. It didn't happen. 1 minute. Anyway, let's put both of them is auto size, and this also. I did use parent options. Now let's change the color of our product name. Transcriptions, I will write maroon, and then let's change the text edit name, text product name, and let's put for quantity units in stock. We'll say which control we can edit. Let's see. Spin edit. Let's move it over here. And let's say name it. We say units in stock, and also change the color, same one, and then the name of our text edit, I call it text units in stock. And now let's do for the fourth one is unit price. For unit price, what we can add here, I think we have calc edit. Let's move over here, and let's first change the name, the text of it is say unit price. Let's change the color, call it maroon, and then our calc edit will say txt unit price. And let's make some modification. We'll change the mask of this one, and also this one also. It's for unit price, change mask, because we want like a precisions, like decimal we declared in our table. I will say create a new mask, and from expressions I will write and2. And to our, after our number, it will give precision 2 digits. Say create, okay, and unit in stock. Let's go change mask. We only need here like a number, but we can not like this, maybe like this D, yeah, decimal. That's much better. Let's first call it from our insert, how it will look like. From insert we double click it, then we call our form. We say products edit form, product edit form, we get new instance from it, and then this time we say product edit form show dialog. It will show it as a dialog. Let's run it how it is. Products, then you say insert, as you see that is something like this. This is place if you write a big number, as you see, this is precision, that's why I put 2, and this is only number. And we have to change others also. When we focus it, we want it to be like chime. Let's do it now. We choose 3 of them, then from we have to do one by one, I think. Properties, appearance focused, back color, light. Let me copy this one, will not write it again. Close, then properties, we do the same things, appearance focus, back color, and then let's do for the unit price also, appearance focused, then we close. And also we want to do top order. When we open it, first it will be our cursor, it will be focused on product ID, and then when we press the top from keyboard, it will go product, then unit stock, then unit price. Let's click here, top order. Let's put first, this is first, this is second, third, fourth, fifth. Yeah. Let's run it how it is working. Products, insert. Let's press the tab. As you see, it focuses on the product here. You see. Now let's what we can do it here. Maybe if it's possible to change to make it smaller, but 200 maybe. Let's put it on 50. What is happening? Choose our data layout control from data layout control. It's none. Can make it smaller maybe. This is not about our this is about our ribbon control. Sorry, let's do like before. Like 2020 maybe. Something like this. Check it again. Yeah. If we could do maybe this use parents and say custom size, then we put 10 maybe. And that's much better. Yeah, I think it's better. But we cannot resize because of this one. Anyway, let's go to our product DAL. We'll write our codes about insert. Let's say public, and then we say void insert. Then inside insert we have to pass a product. Now what we can do, we'll first check our connections. Secondly, we'll write SQL command, get instance from SQL command. Then we say insert into products. Then we say values, parentheses. First it will be product name, then second one it will be units in stock, then third one it will be unit price. Then we pass our connection here. Which connection we will use, we have to declare it. And now we say command parameters add with value. First things it will be our value which we declare here. we say product name, then from our product name, and then the same thing, parameters, add with value, then we say units in stock, and we say product unit in stock. Then third one, it will be command parameters, add with value, and now it is for unit price, and then we say product dot unit price, and then we say command execute non-query, and then we close our connections. This execute non-query in Visual in SQL Server Management Studio, I will show you. Let's go database, product management, we say new query. Is this one. Whenever, for example, when we make inserts here, we can like manually do into, for example, products, and we can say like a values. Then we can write our value, which one we want to add it, for example. Let's say what you can add it here. We say cell phone, then second one, let me see, what was it? Unit in stock, let's say, because this is string, this is not string, let's say 985, then unit price, let's say 2400, maybe like this. Let's execute it. So hit edit. Let's bring our data. As you see, cell phone is also added. Basically, this execute is just the same with this one. The same with our execute non-query. Now let's go to our product edit forms, and from the save button, whenever we write our values, we click the save. It should add in our database. Let's double click to save, and let's call our a product. Let's say 1 minute. First, let's declare it product down, equal new product down, and we say product down insert. Then I have to pass a new product. Let's say new product. Do like this. First, I have to write product name, which will be, it will be text here, product name, text. Second one, it should be unit in stocks, but since it is integer, we have to convert int 32 takes the unit in stock text, and third one, it will be unit price. We have to convert into decimal, takes the unit price text. And now we'll later give a message. We can give it maybe now, but I want to use like a DevExpress message box. So I come here, I say extra message box show. First one is a text. We say product has successfully inserted, and then caption will write inserting a product. Then for message box button we will have only OK, and then we choose the icon information. It's much more better. Let's go how it is functioning. We say products and then insert. Let's add what we can do, but we shouldn't. We have to maybe disable this one. We should not be editing. Let's first do this one. From all properties, then read only. We'll make it true maybe. Only we can read it, not edit it. You see, I cannot write anything. Anyway, let's put a product name. In these terms, I will say keyboard. Unit in stock we have 682, and the price of keyboard, this is $55. Let's save it. You see, product has successfully inserted. Okay, close this one. Close. Sorry. Open it. Let's see keyboard. But we want to do things that whenever we add a product, when we close our products edit, we want automatic to be refreshed. So how to do that? In order to do that, we go to the product edit forms. So we products form and insert. As you see, after show dialog, we will here. Let's first create a method here. We say private void refresh table. Let's say like this, and here I will just copy this one and paste it, and then just copy, paste. Then I will put comment here also. Just we'll call our refresh table here. Refresh table. And then our after show dialog, we'll call our refresh method. Let's see, is it functioning or not? Product name, let's put RAM, unit in stock 604, and the price, let it be $480. As you see that the moment I save and I close this one, immediately my table will be refreshed. Product is successfully inserted. Then I close, you see the RAM can. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next video.